Tesla's subscription service launches in California with 100 Model 3s, aims for a fleet of 10,000. The cheapest, fastest, easiest way to get a Tesla Model 3.
So you can rent a Tesla.
Oh, that's sick. Flexible pay-by-the-month car subscription will give you access to a whole new world of mobility. Pay by the month. So it's month to month, no long-term contract. You know what I like about that is it's a low commitment. Like for people who are on the fence, or they're like, I don't know if I really need a car or want a car. And then if it sits in the driveway and they don't use it very much, so what? At the end of the month, give it back. If they're using it all the time and it's very useful to them, then they just continue to the next month, or they buy one in a more traditional way.
Yeah, and a big hurdle is an electric car, like a Tesla.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to really try it out.
Try before you buy. The only issue I see is that as far as charging goes at home, you're very unlikely to spend on a at-home charger if you're only going to be trying it for a month. So
this is, I think this is happening in Los Angeles.
Where you would have a lot of, hopefully, buildings that already support it.
Yeah.
Or apartment buildings that have chargers that are there. The concept of subscribing to a car instead of outright buying it or leasing it has gained traction in recent years. Several automakers and third-party companies have started such services, which have the main advantage of being simpler and requiring less commitment than leases. So Scott Painter, the founder of TrueCar, bought 100 Model 3 vehicles, which honestly, $550, you could, never mind. There's
the
$5,500 start fee.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay.
Which is more than buying a
down payment. Yeah. Okay.
A Model 3.
Well, not buying a whole Model 3, but a down payment. That's tough. $5,000 to get started is tough. Is it refundable if I?
No.
Okay. Well, I think that puts the commitment level so high that I'm all of a sudden just wanting to buy the car. But anyway, maybe you have a lot of people in the area that they might move. It might be worth it for some people. But either way, I like the try before you buy concept. Like, a car is such a huge commitment, and you don't really, you can test drive it if you really want to. Mm-hmm. I bought the Plaid without
driving.
I think.
You drove it like once or twice, right?
No, not the Plaid. I've driven Model S's, but
Model 3.
But their whole thing, Tesla's whole thing is they can't make them fast enough. So they're not letting you try it. This guy can let you try it with this company, but Tesla's not letting you try it. They can't make it fast. They got plenty of people that are willing to buy it. I didn't test drive the Taycan either. So maybe I'm the wrong guy. But for a lot of people, test driving or living with a vehicle would be a nice thing to do. And but maybe the $5,000 up front might be tough.